Clue AI is one of the most impressive and arguably most controversial sales tools I've tested. Over the past 2 weeks, I've used it in real calls, and what it does is wild. It listens in on your sales conversations and gives you real time context aware responses, including product info, objection handling, and talk tracks. Its biggest trick, it overlays this help invisibly on your screen, so no one else sees it even during screen shares. For non technical reps, it feels like having a senior sales coach whispering in your ear. At $20 month, the pro version isn't cheap, but many users report hitting higher targets fast. The tech is solid, but ethically murky. While Clue AI quietly removed language about cheating on interviews, the core concern remains. You're getting hidden AI assistance without disclosure, and that opens up a debate. Is it smart augmentation or dishonest manipulation? My verdict. If you're using it for support, not deception, it's a powerful edge. But in sensitive or high trust environments, this could backfire badly. Great tech, but use it wisely.